What is up, guys? Welcome back. Say hi, Bailey. Today we are gonna start my dirt bike build. I decided to build out my 2017 KX250. It's gonna be a budget build, not gonna do anything huge on it. It's already got all the performance modifications I want on it. It's already got the suspension, already got the exhaust, stuff like that. But we're gonna be changing a lot of the cosmetic stuff. So brand new set of plastic, seat cover, graphics, wheels, probably gonna throw in a set of handlebars on there. Obviously what comes with that is grips, bar pad, stuff like that. Put down in the comments what you guys would like to see done on it. It is gonna be a winter build. So I have a heated garage, so it's not gonna be that big of a deal. But currently what came in today is the graphic kit from SKDA. I can link to them down in the bio. I already got my new plastics in. They're just ACERBIS or ACERBIS, however you say it. Full plastic kit, it's black, it's nothing special, nothing like that. I do have a custom seat cover that's coming that's gonna match this, and a whole bunch of other parts that will be shown in a later video. This video is just gonna be the plastics and then putting the graphics on the plastics and the kind of the process for that. So I'm gonna put you down, probably go into a time lapse on the GoPro, and we'll get started on that. I'm also gonna do an unveil on the plastics here, or on the graphics kit here, because I'm excited to see it, and I think you guys are gonna like what I came up with. That shows nothing. Ooh. That looks pretty sweet. Nice. Okay, so we're going to start with the fork guards. Figured it'd be easier just to get a new one. I got a whole new pack. These are the two fork guards. I have a heat gun ready to go too, but I just kind of want to get everything stuck on there before, and then we'll add heat afterward. Oh, can't forget about the best part. We got stickers. Let's add this in our sticker collection. This one is the left fork guard. So I believe that one lines up with that spot right there. So I'll put that on like that. And then obviously the other side of this. I'm gonna switch you to time lapse though.
Only road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me, and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone and I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. Till then I walk alone. I'm walking down the line that divides me somewhere in my mind.
Well, apparently my camera died while I was doing the time lapse, but I have all the panels done. I'm gonna run you through them quick. They're gonna sit inside. I'm gonna run the heat gun through them a few more times for the next couple days. But the front fender, got that on there. It came with another kind of black triangle piece, but obviously we don't need the black triangle piece because it's a black fender. So brand new fender with the graphics kit on it. Number plate. This was one of the first one I did. There's a few imperfections, but for the most part it's pretty good. Forks look good. Rear fender, got that all squared away. Both the rear shrouds, whatever you want to call them, they turned out alright. And then my radiator shrouds, these turned out really well. I'm really happy with how those turned out. Obviously still gonna have to use heat gun a few times just to help solidify it in there. And then this is the other one. I'm really proud of how this came out. So right as of course as I'm fixing something, but very happy with how these came out. These still have to go on the swing arm, so gonna do that when it's above freezing and I can take the old ones off and all that stuff. I know the bike's in the garage, but I don't have to turn the heat on until I have to. But yeah, that's how that went, and I appreciate you guys watching the video. Stay tuned for the rest of this build. I got a lot of stuff coming. It is currently bedtime and I work at 7 a.m. in the morning, so I'm gonna hit the hay. Y'all subscribe, comment, like, whatever you gotta do. Appreciate you watching this video, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.
On the borderline of the edge and where I walk alone. Read between the lines, what's up and everything's alright. Check my vital signs and know I'm still alive and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing.
And last but not least, obviously got to represent on the computer, so put those stickers on there. But that is all I got for you guys, so y'all have a great night and we'll see you next time. Bye.